What's up, everyone? This is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today we're going to answer some questions. The question sounds like this. Good afternoon. Good day, Kenny. I would like to know, I just settled the SAA account for blank, a bank. While yesterday I tried to apply loan and credit card, I am still not able to get it passed as the banker stated my risk grade is 9 for blank bank, which she told me that only can process the loan which is under risk grade 1 to 7. I don't have any AKPK. So that's one. So there's another continuation is that the second question is I do have around stay aside cash around 50k and my current salary is around 7k to 10k based on performance, which I would like to know if I just pay 100k cash to purchase over the property, will I get income tax and other issue? And after I made the purchase, can I refinance it under full flexi loan? As I just passed my SITOS to a consultant, which she told me that even the SAA been settled, I am still having the record in SITOS, which will be around 2 year time before it clears. So we go to the first part of the question. Actually, there's a few parts. Let me explain as we go through the lines. Settle the SAA for account for which bank? I blank the bank name here because SAA here can be anything. Number one, you need to understand what that the facility that is get you into SAA. Other banks cannot see, Other banks cannot see. Then you said this customer tried to apply loan with a bank and got a risk grade 9. If you are watching this and you are a banker, you will know which bank is this. They use risk grade 1 to 9. I'm not going to mention the banks because this is not the point here. Risk grade 9 for this bank, right, is fail score. There's a lot of reasons can fail score. But the most common reason is because of secrets. And SAA is because of secrets. Most banks, actually if not all banks, they have a preliminary screening. There's a preliminary rules, hard rules that you must fulfill. If not, they auto-reject. Example, SAA account. SAA account, once we bankers, right, we key in, we straight away see SAA account, the system will automatically give you a fail score. We cannot see, we cannot know why it's a fail score unless we check, maybe you check your secrets, then say, okay, there's an SAA here. When we don't know what facility is that, you yourself have to go to e-secrets, register for e-secrets, Bank Negara, and check which facility and what bank. Only you can see it. So don't have any AKPK. AKPK, if you have AKPK, the thing will tag that as K. Also, another hard rule. AKPK auto-reject, reschedule auto-reject, SAA auto-reject. These are few of the hard rules that the bank will put and you fail score. No excuses. This one, no way to mitigate. Okay, having said that, right, SAA also has a lot of type of SAA. Then some SAAs you can mitigate, some you have to wait a very long time. Coming to the second question, 50k cash, the customer want to know if buy cash with the 100k cash to buy the property, will income tax come after the person? I don't know. I'm not a tax man. I don't work in income tax. Even though if I'm working in income tax, I wouldn't do this video and tell you because I can get to jail. Okay? So don't ask this question to your bankers or don't ask this question to anybody. Nobody can give you the guarantee the income tax won't come after you. No. But what I can tell you is that if you buy using your money, the 100k or whatever money you have, make sure you keep the documentation to show the proof of income. For example, today, your parents actually pass away or you get an inheritance and then you take the insurance money you buy, you make sure you show the proof to the income tax. That's it. Okay? If someone out there can tell you, I can guarantee you, if you do it my way, the income tax won't come after you, that is okay? That person is trying to take your money, that's all. So I will repeat myself. The only way is to keep documentation to show the proof of your source of fund. If you can show your source of fund is legit, why are you worried about income tax coming after you? Then the next one is after you made the purchase, can refinance it under full flexi loan. Yes, of course. After you buy the purchase it, you can refinance it to the bank again. Provided you settle the SAA account that make you cannot apply for a loan right now at the moment. Okay? Next one is, as I passed the SITOS to consultant told me even SAA been settled, I still need to wait having record 2 years. Okay. Remember the first part I mentioned, SAA because of what? Some SAA, like credit card, is small matter. I have cases where the credit card is annual fees they never pay, then it went to SAA. The bank still can approve. You just prove that you already paid the credit card, SAA, and close the card. That's it. The bank will approve 90% or what. Okay, this is for housing loan. If for credit card is even more strict. Credit card, if you have another SAA, anything SAA, because it's non-secured, credit card, personal loan, auto reject. You need to talk. Okay, if the SAA is due to like this one, if 2 years, my guess is housing loan. I got cases before where the bank actually auctioned the house, and the housing loan turned bad, not enough, right? The differential, so you put under SAA. So in this card SAA, the customer already settled. But remember, once you settle with the bank, you need to take the letter from the bank to show CITOS. CITOS, it will not automatically update for you. It's your responsibility to take the letter from the bank to show the CITOS. And for housing loans, from what I know, housing loans, it will take 2 years from the letter that you get from the bank saying that you have cleared your account, you cleared all your outstanding, for CITOS to be moved. Okay? 2 years from the date. So if you cleared 10 years ago and it's still in CITOS, remember, it's not CITOS' fault, no? You are the one supposed to get the letter from the bank and pass to CITOS, okay? CITOS only collects the data. They do not update it for you. You, as the account owner, is responsible for all this. So once again, when you ask about SAA, whether it can do this, can do that, the first thing you need to provide is that what is the SAA account all about? Why SAA, okay? Then only you can roughly get the answer how long it's going to take and where to go. The most important is where to go to understand your situation better. Okay? So that's it for today. The question, I hope it answers the question for you. If you have any more questions, I would appreciate it if you leave at the comment down below. It helps with the algorithm. If you find that it's more personal, it's about yourself, understand, you can just email or WhatsApp me. If you are looking for a loan, you want to apply for a loan, I'm available as well. The link is right down below. Okay, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. And if you are looking for questions, before you ask me questions, right, you might want to check this playlist out. Check out this playlist. Actually, this playlist is all the questions I get from audience. I blank out the names and, of course, blank out the names for privacy. But you can check out, before you ask me a question, I might have answered this. This is the playlist. This is the video. Okay? Bye-bye.